Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix App Store not downloading apps in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your App Store is not downloading apps. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing, just try to connect with a different stable and strongest network connection. After connecting to a stable and strongest network connection, just go to your settings. In settings, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting VPN, simply go back from here and go to software update and just try to update your software to the latest iOS version. Then go back and go to iPhone storage. You just have to make sure that you have almost 10 to 15 GB free with your iPhone storage to download, install, and run any app as smooth. After doing this, just simply go back and try to make a full restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. But before that, I recommend you have to try to go to settings, go to screen time, go to content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Again, go back and go to app section, look for App Store, just look for downloads here, and just select always allow. After doing this, just close your settings and try to make a full restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes pretty black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, open your App Store, tap on the profile option at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And let's say I'm gonna enter my Apple ID password here. Then tap on the sign in option, and here just tap on country or region. And you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So, for example, I'm going to select this one from here. After selecting country or region, just tap on continue option and then tap on agree at the top right. And here you have to enter your billing address, your payment method. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on none option. Then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on none option at the top right, and your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, that's the only way. Just open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select more options, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.